If you're trying to make your mic or desktop sounds louder in OBS Studio, but things just aren't popping the way you want, this tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to safely and effectively increase your audio volume in OBS Studio, so your streams, recordings, or calls are consistently clear and strong. By the end, you'll know not only how to boost your volume, but also how to avoid common pitfalls like distortion or background noise. Let's get right into it. So first, go ahead and open up OBS Studio. This is your central hub for streaming and recording, and all your audio controls live right here. Once OBS is open, look down towards the bottom. There's a section called Audio Mixer. This is where every audio source you've added, like your microphone, desktop audio, or maybe even a music track on DE, shows up with its own volume slider. What you want to do next is locate the audio source that's currently active, the one you want to make louder. If you're not sure which one is the right one, just speak into your mic or play some sound, whichever level meter is moving, that's the one. Sometimes you'll have multiple audio sources, so double check to make sure you're adjusting the one you actually want. Next, we want to check the dB, or decibel, value of that source. OBS lets you set every audio source to a certain dB level, which directly affects loudness. In most cases, you'll see the slider set somewhere between 60 dB and plus 10 dB, but here's a useful tip. 0 dB is basically full volume for that source without any artificial boost or cut, so check that the slider is set to 0 dB. If it's below 0, let's say it's at 8 or 12 dB, slide it up to 0. You'll usually notice an instant increase in volume. Sometimes that's all you need. But don't worry if it still isn't loud enough. There's a simple way to give your audio a real punch. Let's talk about the gain filter. Think of gain as a sort of magnifying glass for sound. It amplifies things beyond what the regular mixer slider can do. To access filters, look at your audio source in the mixer and find the little gear icon or cogwheel. Click that and select Filters from the menu. This opens a new window where you can add effects specifically to this source. Now, click the plus button under Effect Filters and choose Gain. This lets you add a boost measured in decibels just for that specific audio input. When the gain filter window pops up, you can adjust the exact amount. Start small, like plus 3.0 dB or plus 6.0 dB. It's tempting to crank it way up, but going slowly helps keep your audio crisp. After you increase the value, talk into your mic or play your audio again to test. If it still isn't quite right, add a few more D, but keep an ear out for distortion, static, or background hiss. It's a good idea to try these adjustments out with headphones so you hear the actual experience your audience will get. And remember, every setup is a little different, so don't worry if you need to tweak and test a few times to get it perfect. That's it. You've boosted your audio using both the mixer slider and the gain filter. This method works for microphones, desktop audio, or any other source you're using in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want advice for your particular setup, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more guides just like this one. Happy streaming!